guys, my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this look right here. It's just a cute brown cut crease, and yeah, if you guys are interested on how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to try to use a lot of affordable / drugstore products for this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start off with brows. And for brows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. And I have the shade medium brown. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with this. And I'm going to then set my eyebrows with this LA Girl Brow Bestie long wearing eyebrow gel. And I have the shade dark brown. I'm gonna use the concealer as eyeshadow primer because I don't have an affordable eyeshadow primer because I tend to not even use eyeshadow primer. So for eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Rosé and the Air eyeshadow palette. And now I'm going to try my best to cut my crease evenly. If it doesn't come out evenly, it's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna use the concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows. Okay guys, so I just put eyeliner on and now I'm gonna go in with mascara. Guys, this mascara, amazing. I don't know why it took me so long to buy it, but guys, this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Look at that. Look at that. This is my everyday mascara because it makes it look like I have long ass eyelashes. I love it. I hope these are the same lashes because I keep all my lashes in this box. They look the same, so I think they're the same. Anyways, okay, I already put sunscreen on and I used this PURITO, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen, but I use this. This is actually SPF 50, and I heard about this because of Juicy Jazz here on YouTube, so I decided to grab this, and this is actually on Amazon for like $16, so I decided to just get it, you know, because it's 50 SPF. So why not? For primer, I'm gonna use the E.l.F. Jelly Pop Primer. I love this primer because it's so sticky. Good. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. Well, hopefully I'm in the shade 128 because I don't remember the last time using this foundation, so let's hope it's my shade. For powder, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I freaking love this powder. I always use it. It's my go-to, and it's affordable. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use this E.l.F. bronzer in the shade Forever Sun-Kissed. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with this E.l.F. blush, which is in the shade Always Silly. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Precious Petals highlighter by Wet n Wild, my go-to. Freaking love that highlighter. Moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to use this color right here. I'm actually gonna wing this out right here. So I'm gonna drag it out like this. Okay, so now for the waterline eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this nude color that I got from Rimmel London. So for my lower lashes, I'm gonna use this mascara, which is the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. I like this mascara because it's very like thin and it's good for my lower lashes. Okay, so I'm back and I did my hair. But now I'm gonna do my lips, and for lip liner I'm gonna use this Kiss Luxury Lip Liner in the shade Vamp Red. And I know this is not drugstore, but I've been dying to use this. This is the Rare Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Inspire. So I'm gonna put it on. I love this red. It just gives my face a whole new look. Like, I do like nude, but with this kind of eye, I feel like red stands out and It looks so freaking nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And actually, I know I don't say this in a lot of my videos, and I know I should, but I am having a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and make sure that your subscription is public, so that way I know that you are subscribed when I do choose a winner. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So for browns, okay, so going,